5 seconds to go. Start. But if mismanagement affecting production and resulting in unemployment is to be the basis of a classification for making a law for preventing mismanagement and securing production and employment, the law must embrace within its ambit all companies which now are or may hereafter become subject to the vice. This basis of classification, by its very nature, cannot be exclusively applicable to any particular company and its shareholders, but is capable of wider application, and therefore the law founded on that basis must also be wide enough so as to be capable of being applicable to whoever may happen at any time to fall within that classification. Mismanagement affecting production can never be reserved as a special attribute peculiar to a particular company or the shareholders of a particular company. If it were permissible for the legislature to single out an individual or class and to punish him or it for some delinquency which may equally be found in other individuals or classes, and to leave out the other individuals or classes from the ambit of the law, the prohibition of the denial of equal protection of the laws would only be a meaningless and barren form of words. The argument that the presumption being in favor of the legislature, the onus is on the petitioner to show there are other individuals or companies equally guilty of mismanagement prejudicially affecting the production of an essential commodity and causing serious unemployment amongst a certain section of the community does not, in such circumstances, arise for the simple reason that here there has been no classification at all, and in any case, the basis of classification by its very nature is much wider and cannot, in its application, be limited only to this company and its shareholders, and that being so, there is no reason to throw on the petitioner the almost impossible burden of proving that there are other companies which are in fact precisely and in all particulars similarly situated. In any event, the petitioner, in my opinion, may well claim to have discharged the onus of showing that this company and its shareholders have been singled out for discriminating treatment by showing that the Act, on the face of it, has adopted a basis of classification which, by its very nature, cannot be exclusively applicable to this company and its shareholders, but which may be equally applicable to other companies and their shareholders, and has penalized this particular company and its shareholders, leaving out other companies and their shareholders who may be equally guilty of the alleged vice of mismanagement and neglect of the type referred to in the preambles. In my opinion, the legislation in question infringes the fundamental rights of the petitioner and offends against Article 14 of our Constitution. It can be seen that His Lordship observed that if the mismanagement affecting production and resulting in unemployment is to be the basis of a classification for making a law for preventing mismanagement and securing production and employment. Stop.